So, Haley Snyder driving Herbie. Something that Antonio Brown's not even allowed to do. And we got backseat driver, Dad. And we got Nilka back here. And of course me riding along while she terrorizes me. This girl driving fast. She had it up to like 120 mile an hour. Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
Just a speed demon here.
That's how you roll.
She had the window down, her red hair is flopping around and everything. But, yeah, Haley, what do you think about Herbie?
Herbie's great.
Is he fast?
Herbie is fast, that's for
Just
sure.
off here, and then you're gonna just hang a left.
That's the navigation system
Well,
saying
actually, Haley, just hang a right.
that. It's personalized to Haley. It's telling her where to turn and everything. Oh, it's all fun, folks. We're gonna get back to the picnic here, and then we're gonna have some more fun. So waiting for the rest of the people to show up. Maybe the former owner will actually show up and test drive Herbie. He says he really wants to be here, so hopefully he'll be here. But this is what we're doing now. Floor it. There we go. Look at that. Look at that face of concentration. Holy cow. It's almost like, well, I want to drive it like Bill says, but I don't want to wreck it either. All right, I'm going to stop embarrassing Haley. Say bye, Haley.
Bye, guys.